In passive fire protection and insulation, product performance depends on correct installation. When installation is inconsistent, the result can be costly. Rework, delays, failed inspections, and unnecessary risk. That's why we created the Arc Protect Learning Hub, a free online platform designed to help installers, contractors, and employers improve their knowledge and confidence. The platform gives users access to a growing range of online learning content, focused on improving understanding of Arc products and their installation. Training is broken down into manageable courses, each taking around 15 minutes to complete. Signing up to the Arc Protect Learning Hub means learners can study at their own pace without going off-site for long periods. Assessments check learner understanding. Certificates provide proof of completion. Managers can have full visibility, improving training control and consistency. The aim is simple: to make learning more practical, more accessible, and more consistent for teams working with Arc products, helping teams build confidence, reduce avoidable mistakes, and deliver better installation on site. Sign your team up today.